to cancel a lesson as a teacher on WebTeachers.eu. If you're a teacher and you already have scheduled a lesson with your client, what you have to do is that you go on your dashboard, click Lessons, and here I have scheduled lesson with Chris Johnson on 29th of February at 4 p.m. First thing I should do is write them a private message explaining the situation. So this is an example. I will not be able to make the lesson on 29th of February at 4 p.m. Can we reschedule the lesson tomorrow at the same time? That's an example letter you can write. You can offer them another time, and then they can book a lesson with you again. We click send. Next thing what we do is we click complete button. Okay, then we click report button. We mark the reason why we can't attend the lesson. So in this case, teacher did not show up. And then we write the reason why we cannot attend the lesson. So in this case, I can write, I have a flu and I'm not able to attend the lesson. Click report issue. Issue has been accepted. And it is your responsibility as a teacher to resolve all issues. So what we do is we click resolve issue, and there we have three options. First option is reset lesson to unscheduled. By choosing this option, the lesson will be cancelled and money will be returned to the customer's WebTeachers account. So for example, if you're not able to make the lesson, then you would choose this option because the customer should receive their money back. Next option is report a lesson as complete. So what this option does, by selecting this option, the lesson will count as completed and money will be sent to teacher's WebTeachers account. So but it also might happen that it's not your fault that you cannot attend the lesson. Maybe the client did not show up. So you mark it like this. Next option is report a lesson as complete and issue 100% refund to the student. By selecting this option, the lesson will count as completed and money will be sent to customer's WebTeachers account. So this might be the case, for example, that you attended the lesson, but you had to leave early. For example, you only did the 10 or 20 minutes from the 1 hour. So you would have to choose this option because the customer pays for the full lesson after all, and they're entitled to have the full lesson. So you list the reason why you could not show up. So again, I have a flu and I'm not able to attend the lesson. Click resolve issue. An issue has been resolved. Later on, the WebTeacher staff will check this issue, and if something is wrong, then we'll let you know. I want to remind you that it is teacher's responsibility to resolve any risen issues, and teacher will be held responsible for the choices they make. If the teacher cancels lessons often or receives bad feedback from customers, WebTeachers has the right to delete the teacher's profile.